So if you're a Pinterest user, I bet you know this feeling. You stumble upon the absolute perfect video, a recipe, a workout, a brilliant DIY hack, and you just have to save it. But how? Well, today, we're going to solve that exact problem with a super simple, really effective solution.
Picture this. You're scrolling, minding your own business, and then bam! There it is, the perfect video. Maybe it's a quick recipe you want to try this weekend, a clever life hack, or just an inspiring project. You know you'll want it later. But the big question is, how do you get it off the app and onto your device for later?
And that's the thing, right? It's so frustrating. The content is right there in front of you, but it feels trapped online. Sure, you can pin it, but what if you want to watch it when you don't have internet? Or what if you just want to send the file directly to a friend? It feels like it should be easy, but it just isn't.
This right here is what I like to call the Pinterest video dilemma. It's that gap between finding amazing content and being able to truly keep it. But as it turns out, there's a tool designed to fix this exact problem.
Well, say hello to PinterestVideoDownload.org. It's a free, web-based tool made specifically to solve this little dilemma. And get this, it's not just for videos. It also works for images and photos, which makes it a pretty handy all-in-one tool for any serious Pinterest user.
Okay, so what makes a tool like this actually worth your time? Let's break down the key features, the things that really make it stand out.
First off, let's talk about the two things that really matter: speed and convenience. The site processes links pretty much instantly, so you're not sitting around waiting. Plus, it's compatible with basically any device you own, whether you're on your phone, a tablet, or sitting at your computer.
Oh, and this is a big one for me: quality. It is not an afterthought here. You actually get to choose your resolution, all the way up to 1080p HD when it's available. And because it's a specialized tool, it's built from the ground up to play nice with Pinterest-specific video formats. No weird glitches.
And then, of course, there's the big question, the one we all have. Is it secure? The tool guarantees your privacy by not storing any of your videos or personal data, which is a huge plus. It's also made for a global audience, with support for a bunch of different languages. All right, so you've seen what it can do. Now for the most important part. How do you actually use it? Don't worry, it's a super simple 5-step process.
Honestly, it could not be simpler. First, find your video on Pinterest and copy the link. You can just tap the 3 little dots on your phone or grab it from the address bar on your computer. Step 2, pop open your browser and go to the website. Third, paste that link right into the box you see on the home page. Fourth, hit that download button and give it a second. And finally, step 5, you'll see a preview. Just click download one more time, and boom, the video saves right to your device. That's it.
Now I know what you're thinking. With any free tool online, you're going to have some questions, right? So let's just go ahead and tackle the top 3 concerns right now. First, and this is the big one, is a downloader like this really safe to use?
The answer is a very clear yes. The service makes a point to say that your privacy is the priority. Since they don't store any of your data or the videos you download, everything you do is anonymous and secure. Your stuff is your stuff.
Okay, next up. Do I need to install some clunky app or weird software to get this to work?
No, not at all. And honestly, that's one of the best parts. It is 100% browser-based. You just go to the site, paste the link, and download. No installs, no fuss.
And last but definitely not least, the question for all of us who care about quality: can I actually download videos that look good?
You absolutely can. This thing supports a bunch of different resolutions, including HD options like 720p and even 1080p. That means you get to save the video in the best possible quality that Pinterest offers, not some grainy, pixelated version.
So, when you put it all together, what do we have? We've got a fast, totally free and secure way to save basically any Pinterest video you want. And it works on whatever device you happen to be using. It's a simple, direct solution to a really common problem. You know, when you get rid of that barrier, that thing stopping you from saving the content you love, it really opens up so many doors. So the real question I have for you is this: with inspiration this easy to capture, what will you create or learn next?